Okay, my 5 steps for solving equations. What to do and how to do it. So first, we simplify either or both sides of equals. How do we do that? By doing what it says, because we're using the order of operations. 2, if x is on both sides of equals, usually what you want to do is take small x to big X, or small y to big Y, whatever variable's there. And you do this by either adding or subtracting, because you're taking the x with it. And if it's added on one side, to get it to the other side, you're going to subtract. So you're going to do the opposite of whatever it is. Now, after that, you eliminate anything added or subtracted to x or to the variable by doing the opposite. Then eliminate whatever's multiplied or divided to x, again by doing the opposite. Remember, take the sign with it. If you check your answers, make sure you do this by putting the answer into the original problem, because if you've made a mistake somewhere along the way, plugging an answer into an intermediate step may not catch a mistake. So now here, when I look at this is not simplified because I've got a distributive property here. So I take positive 5 and I distribute it. So I simplify this side. So positive 10 plus 5z minus 10 equals 4z plus 1. Now in this case, we're not done with simplifying, because 10 minus 10 goes away. And we are left with 5z equals 4z plus 1. So we've simplified. Now we have to deal with, there's a z on both sides. So small z to big Z. It is a positive value, so the opposite of adding would be to subtract the 4z from both sides. And then we get 1z, or just z, equals 1. In this case, we happen to be done. But I want to choose one where we're not quite done. So I'm going to make up another one. So 3 plus 4 times x plus 1 equals 6x minus 5. So let's try that one. Okay. We distribute our 4, so 3 plus 4x plus 4 equals, and we can't simplify that side, so 6x minus 5. Now, again, we have to combine our like terms. 3 plus 4 is 7, so 4x plus 7 equals 6x minus 5. Ooh, this time our small x is on the left side, and we have to take it to the right side. I didn't see a sign in front, so I know it's positive, so it's been added to the left side. The opposite is to subtract it. And if I subtract it from one side, I have to subtract it from the other. And chop chop, that goes away. And the only thing left is our 7 equals 2x minus 5. Now, eliminate whatever's added or subtracted to the x. Well, 2 has been multiplied and 5 has been subtracted. The opposite, because that's what it says right here, do it by doing the opposite. We have to add 5. And if I add 5 to one side of equals, I have to add 5 to the other side. That goes to 0. But notice I'm not going to write a 0. I'm just going to bring whatever else is left on the right side. And then 7 plus 5 is 12. Now 2 times x, eliminate whatever's multiplied or divided to the x by doing the opposite. Take the sign with it. Well, this happens to be a positive, and so if I just divide by 2, I have divided by a positive 2. And 2 divided by 2 goes away, leaving just 1x or x. Okay? And then 12 divided by 2 leaves us 6.